Why does time always move forward? Why do we remember today but never know tomorrow? The laws of physics actually say we could move time forward or backward. For Newton's laws of motion or Schrödinger's equation, the direction of time doesn't matter. Theoretically, a broken glass could reassemble itself and jump back onto the table. But in reality, we never see that, because in reality, there's a direction. Forward. What determines this direction is the second law of thermodynamics, entropy. Entropy is, roughly speaking, a measure of disorder, and in closed systems, entropy always increases. This is one of the most fundamental rules of nature. An ice cube melts, hot coffee cools down, a tidy room becomes messy. Because highly ordered states are statistically unlikely, disorder always wins. This inevitable rise in entropy defines the direction of time. Scientists call this the arrow of time. As entropy increases, time appears to move forward. In other words, time's direction follows the universe's increasing disorder. But this brings up another question. Why was entropy so low at the Big Bang, the very beginning of the universe? Why did everything start out so incredibly ordered? That question remains unanswered. Perhaps time itself emerged there. Perhaps the arrow of time comes from that initial low entropy. Our minds work according to this arrow too. We record the past but not the future. We make plans but we can't remember what hasn't happened yet. Because we are beings carried along by entropy. Our consciousness flows with time. In the end, time forms the foundation of everything we know. But maybe it's just an illusion. Maybe what we call time is just the statistical trend of the universe. But what if we could reverse it? What if remembering the future were possible? We don't know the answers to these questions, but one thing is certain. The more we learn about time, the closer we get to understanding reality. If you want to keep exploring the fascinating questions of time, the universe, and science together, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey.